Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Dollish Polish. God bless us, everyone, and Beauty Big Bang XL-033. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Dollish Polish. God bless us, everyone. It's a green jelly full of all kinds of different sizes, glitters. I mean, it's just packed full of them. So this first coat's going on pretty sheer, but it's a jelly, you know. But the formula is really good on it. I'm going over it more than I probably should, but, I'm not having to really work at it. And I am having that free edge. Kind of funky on that first coat, but here we go with our second coat. Trying to use up these Christmas polishes that I had out for my indie picks for, winter or the holidays or Christmas or whatever. The ones I did in the collab with 360 Nails. I wanted to try to use all of them. Instead of just showing them, I want to use them. So, before they go back into the collection, I want to use them. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I'm going to top this with American Classics Jealous. And this is not a gel polish, but it is a very thick top coat. It's not fast dry though, so I'm going to have to use something else on it. But I like to use this when I'm using like chunky glitters and stuff. And this one didn't look all too chunky until it dries down, and then it starts looking, a little bumpy. So I like to use this Jealous for that. And now I'm going to top it with the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls, which is a quick dry top coat. I'm going to get this one to dry down so we can do some playing. Got a stamping plate all picked out and ready to go. So there we go. Beautiful. Squishiness with some bling. I love it. Okay, and here is my swatch photo of God Bless Us Everyone all by itself. And now we're going to break out this Beauty Big Bang XL-033, my AliExpress cube stamper, my beauty scraper. And this is Nicole Diary NS03. This is one of my old Nicole Diary stamping polishes that works like a dream. So I'm going to use this little Merry Christmas shaped in the Christmas tree on my accent nail. Of course, I'm going to be just honest. All of them are going to be accent nails today. So I'll put that next image on my middle nail, and I'm just blinking along. Camera acting up, so I didn't miss getting that other image on my nail, or getting it scraped and stamped. But I'm just using some different images off this plate. The holidays are just clicking by so quick, and a lot of these images I've never used. I want to use them all. So in an effort to be able to get to play with some of them, I am just putting different stuff on all my nails. I like it like that. They're all cohesive. They're all Christmas, so I think it works, I'm sorry about that blurry footage right there. That's just awful. But I'm going to get some paint on that plate and do some scraping and some picking up and some delivery to the nail. I'm going to turn it around. I'm having troubles. There we go. Rock that image right onto that nail. And I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and clean up this excess real quick. It's coming up really well. That's another thing I love about my old Nicole Diary polishes. Oh, they cleaned up so easy. I'm going to use the Maniology Smudge-Free Top Coat over the top of the stamping. Get that to dry down completely, and then we're going to go back in with Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls and seal this manicure in. I really ended up liking it. I don't know that gold was the right topper to use for stamping with, but it's what I went with. So I'm going to cap my free edge again. And that's it for this manicure. Here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.